Hi friends, do you know how to pronounce these words? Of course, many of you might know it, but we very often mispronounce them. Take for example, number one, we always pronounce it as judge. Judge. No, it is judge. D is quite silent there. Judge. Not at all judge. It is judge. Number two, it is not bridge, whereas it is bridge. D is silent, simply silent. Bridge. Number three, edge, not edge. Edge. Number four, badge, not badge. Badge. Number five, pledge, not pledge. Pledge. Number six, hedge, hedge, hedge. Last but not the least, knowledge. Knowledge. Not at all knowledge. It is knowledge. Knowledge. Thank you.